This video will show you how to get the sample programs from your textbook and how to use them to your best advantage so you can learn Python. Each module will contain a zip file which has all of the book sample programs for that particular chapter. What you want to do is you want to download that file. You can do that right here. Click on download. That'll bring it down to your system. If you open up that zip file, you will see in there a folder with the same name as the chapter, and if you open that, you will see all of the sample programs that are in Chapter 2. All of these were created by Mr. Gaddis for us to learn Python. Now here's how you want to use these to your best advantage. Read the textbook thoroughly. As you work through the chapter and you come across a program, load it up and try it. Run it. Try to understand why the program outputs or runs as it does. Try to relate the program code to how the program runs. That's your objective. Now, for example, if we're working through Chapter 2, the very first program comes up on page 37. It's program 2-1. It's called output.py. Here it is. So I'm just going to load that up into idle. There it is. And now I'm going to run it. Press the F5 function key, should run it. There's my output window. And as you can see, what it does is it prints exactly what's inside the single apostrophes, what's inside the single quotes. It shows up in green. Those are called strings. And the print function will just print those strings out to the output screen in the interactive window. Okay, this is a relatively simple one, obviously, but we now know what this program does. And this is the way you want to proceed through the textbook, not just in Chapter 2, but in each and every chapter. Get the zip file, download it. Read through the chapter. As you come across a program, try it. Try to understand why it runs the way it does. Now, usually you're going to see in the book, after the program, an explanation by Mr. Gaddis explaining why the program runs the way it does. It's the best way to learn Python with your textbook.